Virtual machine. In computing, a virtual machine or VM is the virtualization or emulation of a computer system. Virtual machines are based on computer architecture and provide functionality of a physical computer. Their implementation may involve specialized hardware, software, or a combination. Virtual machines refer and are organized by their functions shown here. One system virtual machines are also termed full virtualization VMIs. Provide a subtitle for a real machine. The provide functionally needed to execute any operating system. A hypervisor uses native execution to share and manage hardware, allowing for multiple environments which are isolated from one another, yet exist on the same physical machine. Modern hypervisor use hardware-assisted virtualization-specific hardware, primarily from the host CPUs. Processor virtual machines are designed to execute computer programs in a platform-independent environment. Some virtual machine emulators, such as HEMU and video game console emulator, are designated to also emulate or virtually imitate different system architecture, thus allowing execution for software application and operating system written to another CPU. Or architecture operating system level virtualization allows the resources of a computer to be partitioned via the kernel. The terms are not universally interchangeable. Definition: System virtual machines. A virtual machine was originally defined by Puppet and Goldberg as an efficient isolated duplicate of a real computer machine. Current use include virtual machines that have no direct correspondence to any real hardware. The physical hardware running the VM is generally referred to as the host, and the virtual machine emulated on that machine is generally referred to as the host. A host can emulate several hosts, each of which can emulate different operating system and hardware platforms. The desire to run multiple operating systems was the initial motive for virtual machine, so as to allow time sharing among several single-tasking operating systems. In some respects, a system virtual machine can be considered a generalization of the concept of virtual memory that historically preceded it. IBM's CPRCMS the first system to allow full virtualization. Implement time sharing by providing each user with a single user operating system. The conversational monitor system or CMS. Unlike virtual memory, a system virtual machine allows the user to put privileged instruction in their code. This approach had certain advantages, such as adding input or output device not allowed by the standard system. As technology involves virtual memory for purpose of virtualization, new system of memory algorithms might be able to manage memory sharing among multiple virtual machines on one computer operating system. It might be possible to share memory packs that have identical contents among multiple virtual machines that run on the same physical machine, but may result in mapping them to the same physical packs by a technique termed kernel sandbox merging or KCM. This is especially useful for read-only packs, such as those holding code segments, which is the case for multiple virtual machines running the same or similar software libraries, web servers, middleware components, etc. The host operating system do not need to be combined with the host hardware, thus making it possible to run different operating systems on the same computer. On IG, Windows, Linux, or prior version of an operating system to support future software. The use of virtual machine to support separate operating system is popular in regard to embedded system. A typical use would be to run a real-time operating system simultaneously with a preferred complex operating system. should as Linux or Windows. Another use would be for novel and unproven software still in the developmental stage, so it runs inside a sandbox. Virtual machines have other advantages for operating system development, and many include